It's your girl Stella back here once again, y'all. And guess what? I got another package I got to open, so I'm going to just go on and run it down. I ordered some stuff from Native because they said it's supposed to smell like donuts. They done collab with Dunkin Donuts, and I done lost my whole mind. I guess since I can't have a lot of sweets, I guess I thought I was just supposed to buy me some and just use it as the body wash and the deodorant. So I'm going to show y'all. I went and got this one right here. Now, who went and bought these? This one is called the Vanilla Sprinkle. And I actually like this. Today, I had went to the gym. And when I left home this morning, I'm going to tell you, I had forgot to put my deodorant on. But just so happened, I had to put this down inside of my bag. And it lasts. It lasts. I did 2 workouts. I had one workout I had to do, which involved a lot of legs and glutes, my hip thrusts and all that, and that deodorant lasts. And I was real surprised because, you know, girl around here, listen, I'm just being real honest with you. Right now, I will get a little musty if I don't make sure that I got some deodorant on. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. But anyway, I had this in my bag and I went on ahead and put it on. This is like my first time really trying the deodorant. But I said, you know what? I'm going to put this down in my gym bag so I have my own personal items. And I actually like this. I actually like it. It wasn't loud. It smells really, really, really good. Really good. I am actually a fan. They made me a fan when I didn't get musty today, okay? And I'm going to show you what I got because, you know, body wash is very important to me. So I went and I got this one right here. Y'all see it? This one right here is the Strawberry Frosted Body Wash. I figure since I can't have a lot of sweets, y'all, I just can smell like a donut, even if I can't eat one technically right now. I'm just saying. And I actually got the blueberry one, but I done already took that one up to the bathroom and I done already started showering with it. It smells like blueberry, but it's really light. It smells like vanilla blueberry or something, like cream or whatever, but it's not real loud. I actually like it. And I got this one. Now, Lord knows I ain't need 3 bottles. I ain't need 3 bottles of body wash, but I figured, you know what? I might as well just go ahead and get 3. I ain't got to worry about ordering no more for a little while. But I take about 3 showers a day when I get up, and then when I come back from the gym, and then before I go to the gym again, and then when I come. So that's about 4. I take about 4 showers a day. Yeah. That may be a little excess, but, you know, hey, I got this one right here, too. Now, this one is the Vanilla Sprinkle. I love vanilla. I am a vanilla girl. So if you Stella Stars know anything that's vanilla that smells really good, drop it down in the comments because I would love to try it for myself. If there's any type of like perfume or lotion that you know that's pretty reasonable or whatever, let me know. I really want to try it because I'm truly. The reason why I bought all of these is because I seen Vanilla Sprinkle on there. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I am that much of a vanilla fan to where I really like vanilla, and I really want to smell because I smell deodorant. The deodorant smells really good, but y'all, and this smells so good, so good. I'm not even exaggerating. I love vanilla, and this I'm gonna be reordering it. But before I reorder, I would love to try another vanilla. So y'all let me know. Make sure you drop that down in the comments and let me know if you tried that. If you have this set, let me know. And let me know what you think about it as well. Because Native has some other types of body wash. But this one right here, I think because it was a donut and because I'm greedy, I actually wanted to go ahead and try it, and because it was vanilla. I love the smell of vanilla. So thanks so much, Stella Stars, for tuning in. Let me know in the comments whether or not you got a set. Let me know in the comments whether it's something else that I can try that you know that smells really good that me and the rest of the Stella Star family can try out. You all have a wonderful day. Thanks again for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. We getting very close. We getting so close. And I want to thank y'all for always supporting me, showing up for your girl. Even though I'm small, we are mighty over here.